Okay, just for a second, imagine this. The taste of a sun-warmed mango. It's like it's telling you a story about some tropical beach, right? Or what about those deep, dark blackberries, just bursting with that perfect mix of sweet and tart? Well, that's exactly where our story begins.
I mean, that question just hits differently, doesn't it? It gets right to the heart of what we all want from our food. That pure, vibrant flavor. The kind that tastes like you literally just picked it yourself. It's a promise of something real, and you just know it's going to be delicious.
So are you ready? Ready to step away from the same old and start turning simple fruit into, well, pure, homemade magic? This is your official invitation to step into your kitchen and become a kind of alchemist, to take that simple goodness and spin it into these little jars of liquid gold, all with your own two hands.
We're about to go on a journey, and I'll tell you right now, it's going to take us way, way beyond the supermarket aisle. Because this isn't just about making some jam. Oh no. This is about unlocking a whole world of taste that, honestly, you might not even know is out there.
You know what I'm talking about, right? You walk down that aisle and see those jars. They're just so predictable, kind of sterile even. Now forget all that. Instead, picture this. Vibrant, soulful creations that absolutely sing with the real flavor of the fruit. That right there is where the magic really happens.
So, what kinds of fruit are we actually talking about here? Well, let me just say, you should probably prepare to have your mind completely blown, because we're going on a trip from the cozy, familiar local orchard all the way to the most exotic corners of the globe. Of course, we're going to cover the classics. You've got your apple, your blackberry, your cherry, the flavors that just feel like home. But then we get into the really fun stuff. Ever heard of ackee or chemtedak? What about black sapote, the chocolate pudding fruit? Yep, this is your guide to not just mastering the fruits you love, but exploring a whole universe of new ones.
But here's the thing. The real genius here isn't just the sheer variety of fruits, it's the variety of what you can do with any single one of them. The book gives you this incredible framework. We call it the 6 forms of magic, and it just unleashes your creativity like you would not believe.
Check this out. For basically any fruit you can get your hands on, you're going to learn 6 totally different ways to capture its soul. We're talking everything from a shimmering, perfect jelly to a rich, decadent fruit butter, all the way to a chunky, delicious compote. It's a system that turns one ingredient into a whole spectrum of amazing possibilities. And once you have that system down, the flavor combinations become your personal playground. I mean, get this. Smoked paprika, chipotle, and mango cantaloupe jam. Yeah, sweet, smoky, spicy, all in one incredible bite. Or maybe something a little more, savory and sophisticated. How about black garlic and rosemary honey boysenberry preserve? Just imagine that on a cheese board. Wow. Feeling a little adventurous? Good. How does tequila, lime, and jalapeno Cape gooseberry compote sound? It's pretty much a party in a jar. Perfect on grilled fish, chicken, you name it. And for something that is just pure elegance, lavender and honeycomb white wine breadfruit fruit butter. I know, right? It's this velvety, floral, fruity blend that is just absolutely unforgettable. You see, this is about going so far beyond just fruit and sugar. It's about you becoming a conductor of flavor. You're the one finding those unexpected notes and bringing them all together to create a true symphony in a jar. You'll be playing with ingredients like black garlic, smoky Lepsang Souchong tea, chipotle peppers, star anise. Let's be real, this is not your grandmother's old canon guide, unless of course your grandma was a secret rock star flavor scientist. It's all about coaxing out these hidden harmonies you probably never even knew were possible. But beyond all the cool techniques and the wild ingredients, there's something else going on here. Something deeper. It's really about that feeling you get when you create something beautiful and then you get to share it. This is about so much more than food. Think about it. You're basically bottling up a little bit of sunshine on a perfect summer day so you can give it to someone you love in the middle of winter. It's about crafting memories. It's about sparking laughter over these crazy, unexpected pairings and just savoring something truly special because you made it. So in the end, this isn't just a recipe book. It's an invitation. It's a chance to just slow down for a minute,
to reconnect with the seasons, and to celebrate the incredible abundance that nature provides. So get ready, it's time to open up the pantry, embrace whatever season you're in, and just dive in. Spread 'em. This delicious adventure, well, it's just getting started.